Hi, I'm Amy Snell, and today I'm going to share with you some tips for picking up evenly along a long edge in a knitted project. This is the amberine shawl that I'm working on here, and I need to pick up a whole bunch of stitches here along this edge. So what I like to do is mark this off into even sections. I have a few locking stitch markers here, and these are going to really help me. So let's say you have a long edge like this, and you need to pick up, say, 60 stitches. What I'm going to do is first fold this edge in half, make sure I've matched it up really nicely, nice and evenly, and then at the halfway point here, I'm going to put a locking stitch marker right into this edge stitch here. So I've now divided this into two sections that each need to get 30 stitches. I can fold it again making sure I'm getting it really nicely even, and at this fold point I can put two more stitch markers, one into each layer of the knitting. Making sure I'm going into a specific stitch on the edge there. And now I've divided this into 4 sections, each of which need 15 stitches. And it's a lot easier to pick up 15 stitches in this section evenly than it was to figure just by eyeballing how to get 60 stitches across this section. If I wanted, I could continue to fold again if I wanted, and I could put a stitch marker there. Splitting 15 in half is 7.5, so this would be my center stitches, my center stitch, and on each small section here I would only have 7 and 7, and then this final one would make 15 in this section. So I hope you find that useful. For more tips and tricks, visit my website, www.deviousknitter.com, and if you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe down below.